South Texas homeowners, stop what you're doing and listen closely. Your roof is under attack right now and you probably don't even know it. Here's the shocking truth. Most catastrophic roof failures begin long before you ever spot a single drop of water on your ceiling. The damage? It's hidden, it's structural, and it's costing you thousands. I'm going to walk you through the 11 most dangerous roof problems we routinely uncover in South Texas homes, and trust me, number 9 is the one that catches almost everyone off guard. Stick around because understanding these issues could save you from a $20,000 emergency repair. We're Steel Country Home Restorations, and after years of working exclusively in this brutal South Texas climate, we've seen it all. Let's dive in. Number 1. Cumulative hail damage. This isn't just about missing shingles. We're talking about invisible bruising, fractured asphalt, and instant granule loss that weakens your roof's protective surface. The worst part? This damage compounds every single storm. Keep watching because number 4 will show you how this connects to something happening in your attic right now. Number 2. Extreme heat acceleration. Our triple-digit summers are literally cooking your roof alive. The result? Rapid drying, accelerated curling, and thermal stress that can cut your shingle lifespan in half. And here's the kicker. Most homeowners have no idea this is happening until it's too late. Number 3. Granule shedding, the sandy warning sign. If you're seeing sand-like material in your gutters or driveway, stop and pay attention. These granules are the only thing protecting your asphalt from UV destruction. Once they're gone, your roof is completely defenseless. But wait until you hear number 7. It's directly related to what you're seeing in those gutters. Number 4. Insufficient ventilation, the silent oven. This one's critical. Your attic might be an oven right now and you don't even know it. Poor ventilation doesn't just spike your energy bills, it forces your shingles to degrade from the inside out. This is the hidden killer that makes everything we've talked about so far 10 times worse. Keep watching because number 8 reveals the most vulnerable spot on your entire roof. Number 5. Coastal or high wind lift. Even if you're inland, wind stress is lifting your shingle seals right now. Once that bond breaks, water enters silently, causing deck rot months before you see a leak in your home. This is the type of damage that turns a $2,000 repair into a $15,000 nightmare. Number 6. Builder-grade shortcuts, the 5-year failure. If your home was built in the last decade, you need to hear this. Many South Texas homes were constructed using minimum spec materials and rushed installation. We've seen roofs fail in just 5 years, even without a major storm. Don't skip ahead because number 9 is the most common failure point we find during inspections. Number 7. Clogged or compromised gutters. Full gutters aren't just annoying, they're backing water directly against your fascia and decking. This leads to rot, mold, and structural damage that costs thousands to repair. Remember those granules from number 3? This is where they're causing even more problems. Number 8. Ridge cap vulnerability, the exposed weak point. Your ridge cap, the highest line of your roof, takes the hardest beating from hail and wind. Cracks form, nail heads get exposed, and suddenly you have a major water entry point. But here's what most roofers won't tell you about. Wait for number 9. Number 9. Flashing failure, the number 1 leak source. This is it. The most common failure point we find. Flashing is the metal barrier around your vents, chimneys, and walls. Poor installation or aging sealants at these joints cause more persistent leaks than anything else on this list. If you take away just one thing from this video, get your flashing professionally inspected. Number 11 will show you why time is not on your side. Number 10. The storm chaser effect, the costly mistake. After major storms, out-of-state contractors swoop in with quick, cheap fixes that fail within months. These temporary repairs void your warranties and leave the real structural damage completely unaddressed. Don't become another victim, which leads me to the final and most unavoidable problem. Number 11. Roof age and brittleness, the ticking clock. Here's the hard truth. Roofs older than 15 to 20 years in our climate become brittle. They lose flexibility and can't withstand even moderate hail or wind. If your roof is approaching this age, you're on borrowed time. The question isn't if it will fail, it's when. So there you have it, The 11 silent killers attacking South Texas roofs right now. Here's the real danger. These issues accumulate silently. Most people wait for a visible leak, but by then, you're looking at an emergency, not a simple repair. And emergencies cost 3 to 4 times more than proactive fixes. The only way to protect your largest investment is through proactive knowledge. Don't wait for catastrophe to strike. Steel Country Home Restorations provides comprehensive, no-pressure roof inspections specifically designed to diagnose these 11 regional issues. We give you precise information so you can make an informed decision about your home's protection. No high-pressure sales tactics, just honest expertise. Click the link below or reach out to us today. Let's help you gain clarity and peace of mind about what's actually protecting your home. Because in South Texas, your roof isn't just taking a beating, it's in a fight for survival.